Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in the ASUS ROG Phone 6D. So in the first step, open the camera app, then slide to the left to the slow motion, and now if you want to change the slow-mo speed, just click on this little icon. You can see there we have two options, and now we have a maximum slow-mo speed on this device, and just record your video. And this is how it looks with the maximum slow-mo speed. And this is the video with the minimum slow-mo speed. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.